bright and early, 7:30 right now. Harrison's still sleeping and we should go and wake him up and see where we're going to go hiking today. Right now the temperature is about 10 or 11 degrees, but it's supposed to get up to about 23 or 24 degrees and it's sunny all day today, so it should be a really perfect day for a hike. So let's go wake him up. Harrison. Should we go camping?
Yeah.
Should we go hiking? You wanna go hiking today? Okay. Did you have a good sleep? It's gonna be fun, huh? It's gonna be really fun, huh? You gonna help me choose the mountain?
Yeah.
Alright. Let's wake up and have some breakfast and let's see where we're gonna go today. Okay, come on. Okay, Harrison. Are you ready to choose the mountain that we go hiking on today?
Yeah.
Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you this pen. Okay, I want you to hold the pen upside down like this, and then you're going to close your eyes, and then you're going to drop it onto the map on the floor, and then whatever mountain the marker lands on, that's the mountain we're going to go hiking today, okay? Okay, you hold the pen. Okay. You can stand around the front here if you want. Now you got to come to the front of the poster there. I want you to close your eyes. You got your eyes closed? Alright, good. Now I want you to just stick your hand out a little bit further. A little bit further, that's it. Okay, now let's take one more step forward. One more step forward. Alright. You're going to drop it now. Okay, can you see a mark on the poster? Is there a mark there?
Deoksungsan.
I can see a mark. That's the mountain that we're going to be going to. Oh, here it is. Deoksungsan. Okay, so it says here that it's 495.2 meters tall. Do you think we can do it?
Yeah.
Bella, do you think we can do it? Okay, alright. Let's go hiking, huh?
Yeah.
Yay!
Since I hit your phone, I've been counting up the times that I did you wrong. I just want you by my side when I get real gone. Feel it's been a little while since we got along. Yeah, we've been playing stupid games, the situation rotates. And they say communication, safe relations, okay. Medicated how I'm patient, wasting time ain't the way. Cause I can see it on your face. I've been tossing, turning, staying up all night long. I've been calling.
Harrison, you hungry? Are you hungry?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go and get something to eat and to take with us. Ooh, I'm gonna get one of these protein drinks. What do you want? You want a chocolate milk or something to drink? Okay, you choose whatever you want. Chocolate milk? Maybe we can... a sandwich, that's a good idea. Okay, go down the end. Down the end, all the way down the end. And look up the top. Some sandwiches there. Ooh, okay, these are all the things that we've got. Harrison, what did you choose?
I think this, I
Some maichu, some lollies, and what else?
and chocolate juice. And
Chocolate milk? Chocolate milk?
chocolate milk and sandwich.
Good, okay. Should we go now? You ready?
Yeah.
You got a long drive. Can you do it?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Wondering what I did wrong. I could tell by your eyes you got something to hide. So open your mind up, let me inside, and let's make it right. Tell me, baby, what's the problem? Cause I could try to figure it out. Oh no, oh no. Tell me, baby, what's the problem? I'm only picking up what you put. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.
There was a guy who we met when we were walking up the mountains, and he said hello to us, a Korean man. And when we started speaking Korean to him, he was so happy and so friendly that he actually gave Harrison manon, so 10,000 Korean won. So Harrison's got it in his pocket, don't you? And we're gonna buy something with it later, or are you gonna save it? What do you want to do?
Save it.
You want to save it? Okay. Well, Daddy will buy you something nice at the bottom.
Thank you.
Okay. Jeju Kamgyu, best juice in Korea. Okay. Let's finish our sandwich. And let's keep going. So we don't waste too much time and we can get to the top quickly, huh? Okay. Harrison, what's that?
Snow mountain with flag.
A snowy mountain and a flag. Is it a yummy mountain? I bet.
It's okay. Medicated how I'm patient, wasting time ain't the way. Cause I can see it on your face.
What does it say under there?
93? 093.
93, 93. Ah, because it's 93 out of 100 mountains. That looks great. Okay, so now it's all the snow's off. Number 93, Deoksungsan. Now, that's good, thank you very much. So I'll take this coin, and now what we're going to do is we're going to get our red flag stickers and put one of our flags on the top. Red flag. I'll pass you one. Here you go. This is so exciting. Our first flag. Here we go. Oh, perfect. That looks great. First mountain is done. High five. Well, let's say goodnight to everybody and we'll see them next time, huh? Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Thanks for coming with us on our journey.
Need more than 20 seconds to get your attention before it's on to the next thing.